Hi guys, today I just want to show you how to make raspberry cupcakes. These are nice raspberry cupcakes that we're going to make, and then we're going to ice them using buttercream. So I've got my raspberries, fresh raspberries, there with me, and I'm going to blend them. There you go. I think I've got a nice paste. So I need a cup. So now you go on to break your eggs. Then I need half cup of oil, vegetable oil. Then I go on to beat the two. I add my 2 cups of sugar, and I go on to beat again. Nice and fluffy. Then now I have to add my baking powder, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, my 1 cup of raspberry paste. Make sure I take all out. Right, then you go on to add a teaspoon. This is half, so I will use 2 of these. Right, this is our raspberry emulsion that will give it a flavor. Lastly, we're going to put our 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of milk, right, and then we mix. Right, make sure you scrape all the flour that is around the bowl so that you give it a nice mixture. Do not overmix your dough. So here we are good. Now that we have our tray set up, right, you can either use this cupcake holders, or you can just use the tray. So today I'm going to use the cupcake holder. Right, so I think now I'm good. Right, then I take my cloth to make sure I wipe if there's any mess around. Now I have to put it in my preheated oven, about 180 degrees Celsius. Then we'll give it about 30 to 35 minutes. Now that my cupcakes are out of the oven, I'm gonna leave them out to rest for an hour or so whilst they cool down. And meanwhile, I will start preparing my butter frosting. This is 150 grams of butter. Then I need 2 cups of icing sugar, or some call it powdered sugar. So first I need to run. Right, I need to add a little bit. You can add vanilla, you can add a little bit of lemon juice, or any other flavor that you may want to. So today I'm just gonna use a little bit of lemon juice so that my cupcake will not be too sweet. At least it will be cancelled by the lemon. And then I'm going to take my first, add a little bit of lemon again. And you can also add a little bit of water if you don't want too much lemon in it. Instead of using milk, I'm using water because lemon and water, you know how it goes. Lemon and milk, sorry. So I just need to add a little water. Also have a little taste so that I can see how much lemon I need to add. That's nice. Maybe I just need to add a little bit. And I need to get my scraper also to make sure that all the sugar is mixed with the butter. Now that you see your butter has got your frosting has got nice consistent, it can stand up like making a peak, just like that. Then you know that it's not too runny, it's not too thick. You can pipe it out of the bag or out of the icing gun. So let's go on. Now that I have my frosting, I decided to divide it into two and color the other half, because my cupcakes are some sort of pinkish inside, so I just want to match the color. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to use a double colored layer piping. So now I'm starting with this cream one, and I make sure I put on the other side, half the side. Then I go on to take my pink and fill the other side like that, as you can see. Then I'm going to close my gun. You can be using your piping bag, whatever you're comfortable with. Wow, that's nice. I like it. There you go. So you can use any design that you want. There are different designs, different nozzles that you can use. You can have the shell, you can have the star. Right, I've changed the nozzle. You can also choose to fill the whole cupcake or just do the top part. And I need to refill my gun, and then you continue with any different type of nozzles. So there are many depending on what you have in your collection. So we finish off with any of the designs, or you continue with one design, right? You can also go on to sprinkle. Now it depends with if it's a birthday cake for a small kid, they love colors. You can also add some sprinkles like these ones that I have here, right? I'm just going to sprinkle these two. Okay, just like that. So yeah, that's what I had for you today. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe on my channel so that I give you more I've got more in stock. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my baking sessions, and also like and share. See you in the next episode. Bye.